On your smartphone, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap this hamburger menu, tap on Account Center, tap on Profiles, tap on Add Accounts, select Add Facebook Account. Now go ahead and add your Facebook account here. As you can see, I've already added my Facebook account in here. Now go back and under Account Center, tap on Connected Experiences, choose Sharing Across Profiles, Share From, select Instagram, and Share To, select your Facebook account, and automatically share. Here we have to enable your Instagram story. Now on, whenever you post any new story on your Instagram account, the story will automatically publish to your Facebook account also. You can go back from here and share from. Now you can choose Facebook and share to Instagram. You can enable your Facebook story. If you turn on this option, all of your Facebook story will automatically publish to your Instagram. Thanks for watching.